Okay, so also I have meal prepped for tomorrow morning's breakfast. So what I've done is I've done overnight oats. So I've used these Quaker oats there, which I use 40 grams of. I use the Tesco frozen mixed berries, and I use a soya yogurt. So this is what I've done. So basically I make it up in the jar, and all I do is do a layer of oats, then some frozen fruit, and then the porridge oats, and I just keep going up until the jar is completely full, and then I'd literally just leave it in the fridge overnight, and it'll be ready in the morning for breakfast. So this will be my breakfast in the morning. Okay, good morning. So we're on a 7 till 3 shift today. So this is my breakfast, the overnight oats there that I've videoed for you, and you will see how I've made that. I've got my vitamin D ready there to take, and this is what we're taking for lunch today. So we've got the 2 pieces of salmon that we pre-cooked yesterday and a big bowl of salad. So salmon and salad, that's 5 points. And it's 5 points for my oats there with the soya yogurt and the berries. So this is breakfast and lunch today. Okay, so I've got the halloumi here in my dry pan, and all I will do is just grill it off a bit until it goes brown on both sides. Okay, so this is my salad already there. So I've got my halloumi there, my bacon, and my salad as well. It smells amazing, and I'll just add a little bit of salt and pepper with it as well. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, my daughter has her Etsy site here. It's a little shop, and she makes earrings, anklets, necklaces, and these are a couple of my favorite ones which I just wanted to share with you. And if you want to have a look on her website, I've popped the little card in the middle there, but have a look on Etsy for it. It's So Pretty Creations. They're really good value for money as well. They range from, I think it's £2 up to about £4. So if you want to take a look, have a look and see.